If you've never played drums before, in the next few minutes, you're going to learn your very first drum beat. By the end of this video, you'll be able to play this beat. And it's the same beat that's used in hundreds of songs. So theoretically, when we're done, you'll be able to play a ton of rock songs just using this beat. So let's begin. Now, it's a very simple beat. And one thing about music, we count music, most Western music, is written in what's known as 4/4. 4 beats in a measure. And there's this thing called a quarter note, and that's your 4 beats. So if you can count to 4, you've got this, all right? So try it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what are we going to do with those numbers? So we're going to start, there's different ways to do this, but I like to start by basically slicing your body down from top to bottom in half, and I'm going to start with the right side of the body. So my right hand and my right foot. If you're left-handed, it'll be your left hand and left foot. So what we're going to do is, on every number you count, 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going to want to play the ride cymbal with the tip of the stick. By the way, this is called a ride cymbal. With the tip of your stick, and you're going to play the bass drum, and you're going to do it at the exact same time. And your goal is to hit them together at the exact same time. Sometimes that's a little tricky, but within a couple of days, you should nail that part of this. You should nail this part too. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just going to keep counting through it. I'm not sure you're going to be able to hear me, maybe in the overheads, maybe. But I'll count along and we'll see what happens. So here we go, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. That wasn't hard, was it? I don't think so. They just play together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's go on to part 2. We're going to skip the right side of the body. We're going to go to the left side of the body. Your left foot, so you want your hi-hat to be able to work with your foot, and you're going to use your left hand. Again, these two parts are going to play exactly the same thing. So whereas the right side of our body was playing 1, 2, 3, 4, we want our left side to only play 2 and 4. Okay, so here we go. I will count again. Hopefully the overheads pick it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I can't believe I just did that. Trust me, you're going to do it too. You're going to hit that rim. Even as a professional, it happens every so often. Okay, so we have the right side of our body and we have the left side of our body. We can play 1, 2, 3, 4 over here, and we can play 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. The only thing left to do is put it together. So let's give it a shot, nice and slow. Sometimes I tell my students this, if they're having a problem thinking about what's coming next. Sometimes, well, a lot of times if they ask or they're confused, I tell them this. Think of it as right side, everything. Right side, everything. That may help you, okay? Other than that, let's stay counting in 4. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's your first beat. Let's try this thing a little bit faster, okay? A little bit faster. Play it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who wants to go faster? Of course you do. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, here's a little bonus groove, a little bonus beat. We're going to add what's known as eighth notes, and they are twice as fast as the quarter notes that we talked about earlier. Remember, the quarter notes are your numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cut a quarter in half, what do you get? You get an eighth. So they're known as eighth notes because you're going to cut that timing in half. Now, everything we just did is going to remain, except your right hand. This is where the eighth notes come in. Now your bass drum is still going to play only the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Your ride cymbal, however, you're going to play eighth notes. And how do we count that? We count it as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's the numbers with the word and in between. So up here is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and down here 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just work with the right side of the body for the moment so we can get this coordination worked in. So here we go. Right side of the body. Matter of fact, I'm putting the left stick down. Not even going to touch it. All right. So here we go. Right side of the body. Numbers only on the bass drum. All the eighth notes on the ride cymbal. Slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Did you find that difficult? Hopefully not. I don't know that it's all that difficult, but it is starting this coordination thing. Now, once you can do that with the right side of your body, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, we're going to add the right side to the left side, okay? This time, all eighth notes. Here we go. Eighth notes on the ride cymbal, that is. From the beginning. Everything else is the same. The only thing changing is the ride cymbal. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now that beats in even more songs that you might know. Okay, so right now, if you can get these two beats, you can play along with most tunes. And even if you don't know the more advanced tunes, like say you want to play something off your phone and you want to play along to it, if it's straight eighth for right now, that means 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. You can play this beat with it. It might not be the same beat that's on the record, but you're playing the beat to your favorite song or playing a beat to it, and that is a huge success. All right. So I want to speed this up before we get out of here. Here's a little bit quicker, the same thing. 1 and 2 and ready and go and. All right, everybody, if you're getting something out of my video, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, share the video, hit the bell so you don't miss any content. Down in the comments section, is this your first beat? Are you brand new to drums? That's what I want to know. And if you are, that's super cool. High five you, okay? High five you. Hopefully you'll join me on this journey to helping you get better. Over here are a couple of videos. Check one of those out. And until the next time, take care, everybody.